Welcome back. Now let's see what the Laughing Samoans,
Mr. Itunutu and Mr. Tufaneifa do in their world.
The terrible troll said, "What are you doing here, bro?" And the billy goat said,
I've come because I want to cross and get some green grass.
Trevor the troll said,
Ain't nobody crossing here, bro. Anyone who dares to cross my big girl, I'm gonna eat you for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, babe.
when we first started traveling to Australia, you know, we were so poor. We didn't have any money. You know, the festival paid for us to go. So we had to catch trains and stuff. Now we just pick up a rental, and the venue was so small. We performed here, and the front row was like just here, right? And we filled that, and we thought, oh yes!
Yeah, the audience was like only about 3 or 4 meters from us. You could only fit 100 in there. So every time, like I sat down, if I ripped my pants or something, man, you could hear it. My stomach rumbling. That's how close they were.
And we went into the main auditorium, the main theater, and we both stood there and thought, wow. And then about 3 years later, we were in that auditorium. We were amazed. As a kid, you grow up, you know, you're always testing boundaries, you know, and part of those boundaries was your humor.
I knew the boundaries with my parents, you know, when to do a joke or not to joke. But where I always went out of boundary was at school, because teachers weren't allowed to hit you. But yeah, at school I always tested and stuff and get in trouble at school, but at home I knew the boundaries. I knew the consequences, and I knew how heavy my mum's hands were, so yeah, I never tested the boundaries at home, just at school.
I used to go fishing in Tonga.
Ah, Sarah. Yes. So you like the seahorse? You like a seahorse?
I guess I love sculpturing. I do a lot of pottery. No, I love music. I love jamming on the piano. But I love just me time, just spending time on the piano or just at home with my parents and that, the kids. But hobby-wise, I love playing the piano.
Yeah, I enjoy staying fit. You know, going to the gym, and I also really enjoy being a handyman around the house, looking after the garden, growing roses and trimming hedges.
Just roses?
I hesitated for a little bit, didn't you?
What I do feel like doing is punching your face. But what good would that do when it already looks like it's been punched?
It just really makes us appreciate the following that we have. We always remember those moments when we first started out. We give it 100%. Whether it's 100 people or 1,000 people, you know, we still think of those few hundred people who came to support us from the beginning.